Good morning, everyone. Well, today I'm going to go through at least one of these paper pads that Maureen gave me because I have a hard time using them if they're in the paper pads. So I'm going to take them out and then hopefully I can use some of these for my 30 days of sketches because they are gorgeous. And this is one I just couldn't help to I just want to tear it apart so I can look at it all and kind of divide it up into page kits. So maybe I'll do that, or I might wait until after 30 days of sketches if I think I can use some of these, because I would really like to do that. But we'll see. I might just want to, pair things up tomorrow. But this collection is just so beautiful. I love this. I love plaids. I love ginghams. I love flowers. Can't get enough of them. And I think there's 2 of each paper. 48 pieces. It doesn't say. We'll see. Look at that. Those big cabbage roses. Yummy. And another plaid. It's almost gingham-like. This is so pretty. I'm already looking at them thinking, what can I put together? Beautiful. I've been getting texts all day. And I'm going to go visit the grandkids. Oh, I think I pulled out 2. Oh my gosh, I just love this yellow. I know, I already went on and on about it. And who doesn't love a ledger? Ledgers and woods, they're fun. I had one like this in a Maggie Holmes, I think. And I had horses in them, and it's like, do I still have that? I don't know. Now this is an unusual color combination, isn't it? Orange and pink. More cut aparts. I wonder if this collection must have had embellishments. I might have to look some up and see if I can just like do a knockoff version of them, because that would be fun. I did that 49 in Market knockoff, and that was so much fun. So I might be thinking about that too. And I love these little tiny patterns. They're pretty to use for anything. Because, I just layer patterns and patterns. Oh, and look at this one, how it looks like lace. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And in my favorite color, blue. Well, I don't think I've seen 2 alike yet. And this purple. That's so pretty. More cut aparts. So, we have those to use. Okay, now I think we're back to the first one. Yes, okay. So everything is in here twice. There's 2 of everything. Well, now that we're on the second round, I'll try to be a little bit faster. Maybe I can get through the other one too. But I'll pair them up. And I could definitely use these for 30 days sketches because they're double page layouts. And I just got to figure out which other pictures I'm using. Because like I'll go through my pictures and then see, will this go with this sketch? Does it have enough pictures? Do the pictures look like, sometimes there's a couple of them that I had like way too many pictures. So, but I'm gonna use all the pictures, so I'll do one double page layout, and then I'll do, because I couldn't get the other ones to work out with the layout, or with another layout from the 30 days. Otherwise I would just do it then. I just love this, because like all the work is done. All you do is have to put on pictures and a couple more embellishments. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. So I will definitely be thinking of Maureen every time that I'm doing these. It's just beautiful. Now it makes me want to watch. Now I think I watched the same episode with my daughter twice because she fell asleep through it. She's like, "You need to see this." I watched the same episode twice with her, but, well, not with her because she fell asleep, but it's like, now I want to go back and watch it just so I can see if any of these look like they're wallpapers. Ah. So I'm going to put that there. Let me see, can I tell how much time has went by? No. I don't understand my camera count. Okay, I think I got a little more time, so I'm gonna try to at least get through. I think these are probably doubled too. Oh, I think they are, but they're right in a row. Okay, and I told you how I don't like chevrons, but I love how this is. And just think if you put, used it as the matting, then you have all that little pattern around the outside. Wouldn't that be cute? Because I love how it's done, that it looks like ticking. So I think that's super cute. Looks like old-fashioned mattress, which I always kind of love that pattern, which is maybe really weird, but maybe it's because I slept on my grandma's feather bed. Let's see, I'm gonna make sure I got this divided so I don't try to put them together. And today I'm just gonna pull them out, but I'm gonna kind of look through it and see if there's anything that I would not want to keep too. And then if I don't want to keep it, then I'll pass it on to Ginger, because I've already got one of those big 13 by 13 bags that I've started. This really has a little grungy look to it. And sometimes I like that. I used to do that all the time. I love this. I just want to cut them all out. Oh, and this is one of I love to have this like for birthday party paper, or for, like if they're at the carnival. I just think this is such cute paper. Yellows, real pretty yellows. And music paper, sometimes you need one of those. And some of this could be used masculine too, like that, and the music paper, because I always have a hard time with that. And this size cute for like little girl pages. In fact, it kind of reminds me of Echo Park Little Princess, I think it's called. Now this looks like late 60s, early 70s to me. There's another chevron, but I don't know, see, sometimes a chevron can work like this. That's the way I like them, where it's kind of like a diagonal stripe underneath. Otherwise, I have a hard time with them. Birds. I would like to find a really cute little bird die like this. Wouldn't that be cute? Robin. Oh, love this. Well, I guess this one's coming off right there. Always love cloud paper and water paper. Another ledger. And I'm gonna see if I can, work out some more kits for the 30 days of sketches. But it's been taking longer than what I think. So I don't want to show you until I don't want to show you just one. I want to show you 3 or 4 at least. Okay. This is just so pretty, isn't it? I just love those colors. Okay, so that's all for today. I just wanted to get those tore down. Thank you for spending time with me, and I will be back tomorrow. I'll either make some kits with these, or, you know, like little page kits, or I maybe will have some more of my things that I'm getting ready for the 30 days of sketches, if I get enough of those done. So I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.